DUI Lawyer, how much does it cost to fight a DUI in Ontario? That's what I'm going to cover in this video. I'm Dan Joffe, DUI Lawyer at NextLaw. Let's get started. How much do most lawyers charge for a DUI? The best way to answer this question is to explain how DUI lawyers charge for their services. There are two basic ways that DUI lawyers in Ontario charge to fight a DUI. First, there are DUI lawyers who charge block fees for their services. That means these DUI lawyers will charge you a flat fee for their service regardless of the hours spent on your DUI case. And second, there are DUI lawyers who charge by the hour. In other words, you will pay X dollars for every hour of work you spend on your DUI case. Let me drill down on DUI lawyers in Ontario who charge block fees to fight your DUI. In these cases, lawyers will often give you two block fees. First is a block fee for all legal services except for a trial. And second is a block fee if your DUI case goes to trial. In these cases, you will be charged a block fee per day basis. For example, a block fee of X dollars for every day of your DUI trial. Most lawyers who charge block fees to fight your DUI will give you a payment plan to help you with your cash flow. The other pricing model for DUI lawyers in Ontario is charged by the hour. In these cases, a DUI lawyer will ask you for an upfront retainer deposit. These lawyers will count the hours spent on your DUI case and deduct those hours against the retainer deposit you paid. As your case progresses, you may need to pay more to your DUI lawyer to keep your case going. Which is better, paying a DUI lawyer a block fee or paying by the hour? There is no clear-cut answer to this question, but you should think about it this way. First and foremost, who do you feel comfortable with? The decision on which DUI lawyer in Ontario you retain to fight your DUI case may be one of the most important decisions in your life. So it's critical to do proper due diligence before you hire a DUI lawyer. I've created a YouTube playlist of videos which will help you find a great DUI lawyer. I've included a link in the description of this video. Now, once you feel comfortable with that DUI lawyer, then you should get into details about the fees. Block fees will give you certainty about what you'll pay the DUI lawyer. However, if the DUI lawyer charges an hourly fee, you should get a range of what your total fee will likely be. An experienced DUI lawyer should be able to give you a rough ballpark estimate of what it will cost to fight your DUI. Finally, if you've been charged with drunk driving, DUI, impaired driving, or refusing a breathalyzer test, your legal strategy can make the difference between winning and losing. Reach out, let's have a confidential discussion about your case. Call is free and you can book a time by clicking on the link in the description below.